Hi everybody, so I would like to preface this video with saying I'm a huge James May fan. I was born watching Top Gear and I grew up watching the Grand Tour, big fan. So with that said, I want you to know I'm a big fan of James Gin. So James Gin has several different styles that are quite delightful. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of his cocktails, which is a classic cocktail, but I'm going to do it James May style, and it is using the American Ramstud, or American mustard, whatever he decides to call it. Anyway, this gin he made is supposed to celebrate America and hot dogs and mustard and ketchup. So anyway, we're going to do that up. So we're gonna make a dirty martini. So the first step is, if you're in America, we're gonna grab your guns. So we're gonna make sure they are unloaded. Make sure the chambers are clear. Grab your other guns. Make sure everything's unloaded. We want to be safe. Okay. Watch your bitters. They'll go flying. Alright. Okay. One in the chamber there. Alright. Now that your guns are clear, we're going to start our cocktail. So, first thing first, we are going to do 50 milliliters of James Ramstud gin, because I don't, God forbid you use ounces. We're going to do 50 milliliters. So I bought this special beaker that has milliliter measurements. And I'm going to measure 50 milliliters of this lovely gin. Alright, I don't know if y'all will be able to see that or not, but I'm going to show you anyway. 50 milliliters of gin, and we have a mixing glass full of ice. We're going to pour that in. Now, let's put that lid in. Don't lose any of those beautiful gin vapors. Now we're going to do 35 milliliters of extra dry vermouth. I prefer Dolan Dry. You can use whatever dry vermouth you like, but I think Dolan Dry might be the best if we're not kidding ourselves. We're going to do 35 milliliters, so we're going to take our beaker, measure 35 milliliters. Want a little, no, not quite. Let's, alright, we should be right on the money there. I'll let y'all be the judge. It's going to go into our mixing glass. Now we're going to do, this is a dirty martini, so we're going to do some olive brine. So we're only going to need a teaspoonful. A little olive brine goes a long way. So a teaspoonful is equal to 5 milliliters. That's going to be at the very little bottom of our mixing glass here, so let's measure that out. It's okay if we go over a little bit. Splash more. Oh. Alright, I think we are on the money there. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to put that in our mixing glass. Cap that, set it to the side, cap our vermouth. And last but not least, we're going to do 3 dashes of orange bitters. I like Reagan's number 6. You can use whatever orange bitters you like. 3 dashes, set that aside. Now we're going to take a nice stirring rod and we're going to stir that up. Once it feels nice and chilly, we can set our stirring spoon aside. And we're gonna get a vessel to put this in. So I like a Nicanora glass or a Martini glass. I have one chilling in the freezer, so I'm gonna go get it since we're in America. Be right back. All right, we have our chilled coupe. So we're gonna recheck our firearm, make sure it is clear, inspect the chamber, set that aside. Oh, put your bullet on the table. All right, now we can take our julep strainer. We're gonna strain this into our nicely chilled coupe or Nicanora or Martini glass, whatever you have, whatever you want to put it in. And since this is a dirty martini, we're gonna get some olives. So I have a bamboo skewer. I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3 nice plump olives on there. We're gonna pop those in. And that's gonna complete our James May Martini, dirty martini. Let's give it a try. Ooh, that is delicious. In all seriousness, if you haven't tried James May gin, give it a shot. It's really good. It's one of my favorites. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially from across the pond, to see how us Americans do it. Take care.